As we reviewed in the Do Now, groups are a place for communication or collaboration outside of the classroom. We're going to dig in to talk a little bit more about how groups can be used with your courses. Groups can be used for all different types of users in Schoology. So this can mean your students, across staff at your school, or across the entire network. Your school's even going to have a parent group. The easiest way to remember the difference between courses and groups is that groups can be used for any non-graded activities, like communicating across your entire school community, collaborating across staff at your campus, and communicating across grade level teams or departments within your school or even across mastery, and establishing online portals for clubs or teams like Yearbook or the Wellness Committee. Within Schoology, there are a variety of different groups. As we mentioned in getting started, Schoology has public groups that you can join. I'll just quickly show you them now because they are an amazing asset. You can join a public group so that you can collaborate with other educators across the country to ask them questions about things that you might be trying to teach in an online format. You can crowdsource here through adding discussions and asking folks whether or not they've taught something in Schoology in a variety of ways that you're looking for. We also have school groups. So as I mentioned, your school is going to have a group just for your staff, just for students, just for parents, and for your entire school community. But when it comes to creating courses, we have curriculum groups at Mastery that you're going to practice joining later in this training. The curriculum groups are going to be important for your courses because these groups are going to have content saved inside of them in the resources file that you'll want to come and grab these examples to bring them into your course. But we'll talk a little bit more about that later in the next module. And so some details about groups that you should be aware of is that within a group, you can make announcements and updates, host online conversations through discussions, share photos, resources, and calendar events. These are going to be very similar to what you do in a course, so we'll cover these in greater detail later in this training.